Hi guys, welcome to the multi-award winning Emerald House of Cars. We're a totally unique family run business on a mission to be the best car dealership in the UK. Our commitment is to give you guys the best buying experience you've ever received, whether you plan on purchasing completely online using our free next day delivery service with 7-day money back guarantee, or you're coming to the showroom to meet the team. We've made everything as easy and as transparent as possible so that you've got full confidence in choosing Emerald for your next car. A little later in the video, we'll show you how our vehicles are prepared before sale in our on-site RAC approved service centre. But for now, sit back, relax and enjoy the following video.
Hello there guys, and welcome to this quick virtual walk around of one of the cars that totally transformed the way you know 4x4s. It is of course the Atlantic Grey Mitsubishi Outlander Phev, which of course does mean plug-in hybrid EV. Something is just so strange about driving a big four-wheel drive, big old off-roader that makes no noise. But don't let that put you off. This is an incredibly well spec vehicle, immaculately presented, and one that we are delighted to be able to offer you the opportunity to have as your next car. So my purpose today is to give you a virtual tour of this car, the ins, the outs, the tips, the tricks and all of its key features, to hopefully just give you a little bit more info, a solid knowledge base, and of course help you in the choice of whether you would like to take this vehicle as your next one. So without further ado, let's get started. You can see you've got the gorgeous Atlantic Grey metallic all the way across the vehicle, accompanied by some gorgeous gloss black features as well. You've got your headlights down here with your LED daytime running lights. You have also here of course got your front parking sensor, chrome styling. You've also got your fog lights just down there, and then you get the gorgeous gloss black contrast. Now the grey, the black and the chrome is a very popular colourway, and when you look at it like this, it's easy to see why. It just looks so impressive. You've also of course got your sharp angles everywhere, which further enhance the Outlander's presence. Moving down, you can see you've got your 18-inch diamond cut gloss black and chrome alloy wheels, upgraded from the standard ones. These really do hit home how the Mitsubishi brand has really encompassed and innovated its industry. You can also see across extended side skirts with a chrome embezzlement. You've got the gorgeous big chassis, big ride height, lots of travel in the suspension, body coloured door handles alongside a gorgeous belt line. You can also see it moving across, body coloured door mirrors, gloss black surround on your windscreen, black plastic surround on the housing here, and chrome on the lower half of your windows. You've also got satin B-pillars and gloss black tinted privacy glass, aluminium roof bar, shark fin antenna, and of course an electronically operated sunroof as well. Then you move around, you can see it is a big old bus, but that just means there's so much more to love. Moving all the way across, you've got your four-wheel drive logo. You've got the gorgeous Atlantic Grey. The colour is so deep and rich. You've got a real high gloss level, rear parking sensors, Outlander chrome boot protector as well. You can also see you've got the chrome and black on the diffuser with the rear fog lights, reverse and 360 camera, Phev plug-in hybrid livery just there, and of course the big swooping tail lights with the gorgeous tinted privacy glass and built-in lip spoiler. Now the boot is really simple to open, so on one of the two keys you can see here, you hold it down, you can open the car, click the button, and of course it does open up from there. And there you go. So click the button underneath, sensor reacts and it lifts up automatically, and look how much space you have in the back of the Outlander. They've always been a good car, but these now, especially considering you've got the official genuine Mitsubishi part there of the boot protector to save any carpet getting damaged. I mean, you've got loads of mass storage space down here, loads of storage space in here, 12-volt chargers, dual cup holders. I mean, this isn't just a big car, this is a monster. In here you can see you've got your plug-in hybrid cable, tyre slime, you've got your battery, and of course in there you can fit dogs, pushchairs, buggies, mother-in-laws, dead bodies, maybe one of the same thing, kitchen sinks, tradesman's gear, tents, camping, beach towels, anything at all. That is a very well sized boot. Now to close it, click the button, stand back, And of course the electric tailgate with the easy close system does the rest of the work for you. But from every different angle, the Outlander proves that an EV doesn't have to look too concepty, doesn't have to be futuristic. It can just look as fantastic as this does and save you money in the process. And if you thought the outside was good, well, trust me, you're gonna absolutely adore the inside and all of its key features. One of the key features of the Outlander, start before you even get in. You can see at the minute the electric folding mirrors indicate the vehicle is locked. Simply walk up with the key on you, press the button, keyless entry. That simple. So you imagine if you've got shopping bags, plenty of stuff in your hands, this just takes all the problems away. And inside, it is gorgeously bespoke, gorgeously crafted, and really, really prestigiously styled. You can see black leather seats, white contrast line work and stitching all the way across. There are of course electric seats, they're heated seats and ventilated seats, so you get the best of both worlds. You can see aluminium down there on your door inlay, rubber pedals, and then you come across, you've got the gorgeous black wood in a high lacquer, which looks fantastic against black leather. Again, white stitching, piano gloss black inlay, electric windows, electric folding adjustable mirrors as well. And then into the rear, you can see a huge amount of room in there for rear passengers, full isofix, and again, just incredible dedication to offering a premium styled SUV. And then let's get inside and let's see how it feels to be in the driving seat. Nice high road position, really comfortable. You can see all and have everything in front of you, nothing in your way either on the dashboard, all clutter free. And moving down, piano gloss black inlay. You can see here you've got your different options, and of course you've got your electronic stability. Here, remote tailgate, audible parking sensors. Of course, you've got your sonar on there as well, which of course is your way that you have your parking sensors indicated. Lane departure warning and collision warning as well. Moving across on the top, leather all the way across there. Again, prestigious, luxurious and refined. We'll shut the door now. Now to turn it on, really simple. There's a power button here, press it once. That'll turn it all on. Press the brake, press the button again. And now you can see that you are on. That is your car on. That's just telling me I haven't got a seatbelt on. And that's it, the car's on. That, unbelievably, is turned on. So you can see now, you've got on here your power, your eco and your charge, which you're used to seeing on the EVs. You've also here got your speedo and your digital information display just here. Now to use that, it's really, really simple. You can change the button just here. Next, of course, to your ESC, just to view the different options in terms of display and what you can get on there. Now, a real good one on here, which I think you would like, is very similar to my own EV, this one. So this one gives you an indication of if the wheels are driving the engine, the battery's driving the engine, or the engine and the battery are charging, so you can see your best way of how the car is working. Now the steering wheel is a hugely important component of any car. Soft touch leather, black on black with a stitching. It's a quad spoke wheel, of course, big, bulky, gives you a proper 4x4 vibe. And on there you've got cruise control with your speed limiter, of course your lane options here as well, source, camera, audio mode, voice control, and you've got paddle shift. So in the slow and in the bad weather, you're really able to really just dominate, I suppose is the word, the territory you're in. So you're not going to struggle with any traction. Moving down from there, you can see on here, you've got your auto headlights, you've got your headlight wash and fog lights, and on this one you've got your front and rear wiper settings as well. Moving across, we're now onto the touch media system. So you can see here you've got all your different options. You can change your route, it is touchscreen. Head on to the radio, you can see you've got DAB on there as well. If you click on source, you've got FM, medium wave, DAB, long wave, CD, SD, USB, and of course Bluetooth audio. If you go on to media, you can of course see on there you get the same options. Bluetooth telephone, you can connect on there as well, and then you can change your tracks and open and close just on here as well for your CDs and your monitor. If you go on the map, you can click on there. That of course brings up your satellite navigation, a real nice high contrast, high resolution display, which is crucial in being able to take your car on a nice journey. And you move down, you can see you've got all the different options here in terms of seat belts, hazard lights, eco mode, passenger airbags. And then you've got your temperature just on here as well. So you can see you've got dual zone on your aircon. I can turn it right up for the driver, keep it very low for the passenger if I wish. But you can also sync that temperature, so you don't have to have it dual. You can click auto, or you can change it yourself so the temperature is the same all the way across. Aircon on or off using the snowflake button. Heated front screen, heated rear screen, turn it off. You can see you can change where the air is distributed using this button just here. And of course, auto aircon just there. Moving down from that, you've got your 12-volt charger. You've got your active on there as well, of course, for your boot release. You've got your key holder. And of course you've got your heated steering wheel for those winter months. In here you've got that gorgeous black high gloss lacquered wood finish again, which really is quite elegant and really nice, like nothing you've seen before. Press it, not only do you have two keys awaiting you, you've got a dual cup holder just there. And then you move down, you've got your gear stick. Now all EVs tend to have the same type of CVT gearbox, and you can see the Outlander one is styled gorgeously. An aluminium shaft just here, really easy to grip in the hand. You've also got your parking brake behind, so to turn it off, press the button of course. And to put this in park or put it in reverse to start with, push it across to the right and press it up. Just follow the instructions here. So you'll know you're in reverse because your 360 parking camera and your reverse camera will illuminate. And then in here you'll also have the R. Now what you can do is push it out to the right again, press it down, you're now in drive, and you'll know that because there's D on your digital display and the camera has disappeared. You've also got charge here, you've got the save the battery mode, and you've got this option here for when you're going down hills to really ensure that it's in peak mode, and it almost limits the descent. It will give you a stable control all the way across. And the reason I know that is because my little Lexus has the same feature. Moving down, you've got your twin motor 4-wheel drive lock, so that is of course your electronic diff lock. Then you've got heated and ventilated seats for both the driver and passenger. Manual handbrake and a big leather storage box just here. Lift that out, you can see you've got USB, further storage, and of course a 12-volt charger in there as well. And to finish it, you have of course got your sunroof. You've got your blind here, which is electrically adjustable, and the nice open space. Now to use that, it's really easy. All you have to do, push that once, that'll of course close the sunroof, and tilt it, press it again, and that will close it. Then you can pull this all the way across, you can pull it back, and of course you want to open the sunroof, just press the button there. But all in all, it is a super fantastic, well specified, luxurious and somewhat surprisingly prestigious 4-wheel drive SUV that of course is EV and will save you from having any large running costs. Now what this has also got is of course the positive 128 point check, passed with flying colours at our on-site RAC approved facility. Now what that means is that our on-site facility have given this a thorough and meticulous cosmetic and mechanical check over to ensure that the presentation, the mechanics and of course the EV components are at their very best for when you take this vehicle. Now what we also do here is of course we offer click and deliver. So if you wanted this Outlander delivered to you all the way up in Scotland but you didn't have time, you couldn't make it, or you just didn't want to, what you could do is you could order this directly, exclusively online at emeraldhouseofcars.co.uk, and you can sign up from watching the very device on this video right now. So what you can do as well is get in touch and we can explain more about that. But if you do want to come down to probably the best car dealership in the UK, where we do make car buying fun, and you want to know what the Emerald experience is all about, get in touch with one of the team, come down and let's get the ball rolling. This can be taken away on finance from as little as 7.9% APR with many of our market leading partners. Now for me, I just want to say a very big thank you for taking the time to watch a video. I hope you've really enjoyed it, and more importantly, I really hope to see you soon. Thanks for watching. I'll see you on the next video.
One of the most important factors when buying a used vehicle is figuring out who to trust. Buying a car is a massive financial commitment and you need to be 100% confident in the company that you choose. We have over 1,000 5-star reviews on Google, Facebook and Auto Trader, hundreds of video testimonials, and the jewel in the crown are the multitude of awards we've won over the past number of years, including UK Independent Dealer of the Year, Independent Community Dealer of the Year, and most recently, Used Car Retailer of the Year. Integrity and transparency are really important to us at Emerald in how we conduct our business. We're the only dealership with a multi-award winning weekly YouTube show which pulls back the curtain and lets you see the inner workings of how a car dealership operates. We cover all aspects of the day-to-day running, from buying, selling, sourcing, after sales, and of course everything that goes on over at our RAC approved workshop.
Every one of our cars undergoes a 128-point vehicle inspection by our team of experienced technicians. Any item that aren't up to our approved standards, we rectify and replace parts needed with manufactured approved parts. We also service every car and put a fresh MOT on ready for its next owner. When we are happy the car is in A1 mechanical condition, over it goes to our body shop for paint correction or wheel refurbishment, then finally onto our detailing team. Essentially, we want to ensure that when the car reaches its new owner, it's at its very best. For the road ahead, we've got you covered for a comprehensive 90-day warranty, which can be extended for 1, 2 or 3 years, depending on your preference. We are proud to be partnered with the market-leading warranty providers that match up to our own high standards, providing customers with genuine support when they need it.
We've also got you protected for all unfortunate circumstances, such as having your car written off or stolen throughout your time owning the vehicle. We're really pleased to be able to offer a great RAC, gap and return to invoice insurance product, keeping you safe long after you've left our showroom.
If you are local to us and want us to take away the headache of keeping your car well maintained, our service plans could be just the ticket for you. Payable monthly and carried out in our fully equipped RAC approved garage, every service comes complete with a free health check to keep you and your vehicle safe and secure on the journey ahead, and also protect the future value of your car by maintaining that all-important service history.
And when it comes to protecting your car's interior and exterior against stains, scuffs, contaminants, all of our encompassing Guardex paint and fabric protection ensure the aesthetic appearance of your new vehicle remained unaltered and improved to an almost better than new finish. It's a great opportunity to protect against the best and worst that Mother Nature has to offer.
And last but not least, if you do need to take out finance for your new vehicle, we have a panel of over 35 lenders, including Santander, with rates as low as 7.9% APR, always guaranteeing you the lowest possible interest rate. For a free finance check, which won't affect your credit rating, click the finance tab on our website to fill out a 2-minute application that lets you know beforehand what your monthly payments are likely to be. We've got loads of PCP, HP and lease options available, depending on your personal preference and budget. So if you want to speak to me or my team of finance experts for any help and advice, please don't hesitate to pick up the phone. We're here to help.
Our goal at Emerald is not just to sell cars, it's about creating lasting relationships and customers for life. But don't just take our word for it. Here's what some of our customers had to say about their very own Emerald experience.
And how would you rate us out of 10? 10 being probably the best car dealership in the UK.
Definitely 10. Oh, I'd definitely say 10.
I'm going to say 10. 10.
10 obviously.
10.
10 I suppose.
Definitely a 10.
I would give you a 10.
It's got to be a 10.
I'd give you a 10.
Well, it's obviously a 10, isn't it?
Obviously a 10.
Mate, it's more than 10.
Can I say 11?
Straight million. Straight million.
Way more than 10.
I would say 10.
Oh, I'd go as far as saying 11.
Definitely a 10.
10, yeah.
A 10.
I can say 10.
In the
11.
Well, it's got to be a 10.
Definitely a 10. If I could give you more than a 10, I definitely would.
I'd definitely say a 10.
10. I'd give you a 10.
I'd give it a solid 10.
I would say 10.
10 out of 10.
I'll give you a 10 then. Sounds
Give us a 10.
10.
And I'll give you a 10 out of 10.
Gotta be a 10.
I'd give you a 10.
I would rate you a 10. 10 out of 10, 100%. It's gotta be 10 out of 10, isn't it?
That's an easy one, isn't it? It's 11.
11 out of 10. I'll give you 10. Because I came back, didn't I? And I'll be back again.